Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered what's next for us? Where is humanity heading in the next 100 or even 1,000 years? It's a question that has captivated thinkers, scientists, and dreamers for centuries. The future can seem uncertain, even a little scary, but it's also a canvas of incredible possibilities, a testament to our endless capacity for innovation and adaptation. So, let's pull back the curtain and explore a vision of tomorrow, looking at how we might live, work, and survive in the world that awaits us. It's not just science fiction. It's the future we're building today, one idea at a time. Let's start with the place we call home. Imagine waking up not to a blaring alarm, but to gentle, simulated sunlight filling your room with the aroma of freshly brewed coffee already in the air. This is the world of the smart home, but far beyond what we have today. Your home won't just be connected. It will be intuitive. It'll be a living ecosystem that anticipates your needs. Health sensors integrated into your bed will monitor your vitals while you sleep, adjusting the room's temperature and humidity for optimal rest. Your AI assistant will have already planned your day, reviewed your schedule, and prepared a personalized nutrition plan based on your health data. The walls themselves could be dynamic, changing color and displaying art or information to match your mood. Energy will be generated hyper-locally with transparent solar windows and kinetic tiles in the floor, capturing energy from your footsteps. Water will be recycled and purified within the home, creating a nearly self-sufficient living space. It's a future where our homes are not just shelters, but true partners in our well-being. Now, let's step outside into the city of tomorrow. Forget the congested, polluted metropolises of the 20th century. Picture this: sprawling green spaces woven into the very fabric of the urban landscape. Buildings that are not just tall, but alive vertical farms, climbing the sides of skyscrapers, growing fresh produce for the residents inside, drastically cutting down on food miles and transportation costs. The air is clean, thanks to a fleet of silent, autonomous electric vehicles gliding through the streets and underground tunnels, all managed by a central AI traffic system that eliminates congestion entirely. Personal flying pods might even become a reality for shorter trips. Zipping between buildings, these cities will be built with sustainability at their core. Materials will be self-healing. Structures will be 3D printed from recycled composites. And the entire city will operate on a closed-loop system, where waste from one process becomes a resource for another. It's a future where urban living is synonymous with health, efficiency, and a deep connection to nature. And what about our health? The future of medicine is one of the most exciting frontiers. The one-size-fits-all approach to healthcare will be a relic of the past. Instead, we'll enter an era of hyper-personalized medicine. Your unique genetic code will be the foundation of your healthcare plan. Treatments will be tailored specifically to you, maximizing effectiveness and minimizing side effects. Nanobots, microscopic robots, swimming through your bloodstream will become our first line of defense. They'll be able to seek out and destroy cancer cells long before they form tumors, repair damaged tissues at a cellular level, and deliver medicine directly to where it's needed most. Surgeries will be performed by AI-guided robotic arms with a precision no human hand could match, making procedures less invasive and recovery times faster. And perhaps most profoundly, we may finally crack the code of aging itself. Not necessarily to live forever, but to extend our health span, the years we live in good health, free from chronic disease. It's a future where healthcare is proactive, not reactive. Now, let's talk about work. The very concept of a 9-to-5 job is already evolving, and in the future, it might become completely unrecognizable. The rise of artificial intelligence won't just be about automating tasks. It will be about collaboration. Imagine your primary work partner is an advanced AI. This AI can analyze massive datasets in seconds, generate creative solutions to complex problems, and handle all the tedious administrative work, freeing you up to focus on what humans do best: strategy, creativity, and emotional connection. The gig economy will likely expand, with people working on a project-by-project basis, contributing their unique skills to teams assembled from all over the globe, collaborating seamlessly in virtual and augmented reality spaces. You could be designing a habitat for Mars with an engineer in Tokyo and a sociologist in Nairobi, all from the comfort of your home office. This shift will also give birth to entirely new industries. Think about jobs that don't even exist today. We might have AI ethicists who ensure that artificial intelligence is developed and used responsibly. Or maybe urban ecosystem architects who design the balance between technology and nature in our future cities. There will be memory curators who help people navigate and manage their digitally stored memories, and personal data brokers who manage and monetize an individual's data footprint on their behalf. As routine tasks become automated, the value will shift towards skills like critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex education will become a lifelong pursuit, with people constantly learning and reskilling to adapt to the changing landscape. It's a future where work is more about purpose and contribution than just earning a paycheck. But for any of this to happen, we have to address the biggest challenge of our time: survival. Our planet is changing, and we must adapt. The future of survival is about ingenuity and resilience. We'll build cities that can withstand extreme weather events. Coastal communities might feature floating neighborhoods that rise and fall with sea levels, while cities in arid regions will perfect atmospheric water generation, literally pulling drinking water from thin air. Agriculture will be revolutionized by precision farming, where drones and sensors monitor every single plant, delivering the exact amount of water and nutrients needed, drastically reducing waste and increasing yields without harming the environment. Genetic engineering will allow us to create crops that are resistant to drought, heat, and pests. Our management of resources will become smarter and more circular. The concept of waste will be eliminated. Every product will be designed to be disassembled, repaired, or recycled back into raw materials. A global network of sensors, the Internet of Things, will monitor resource consumption in real time, from the water in our pipes to the rare earth metals in our electronics, allowing an AI-managed grid to distribute them with maximum efficiency. This is a future where we learn to live in harmony with our planet's systems, not against them. But what if the ultimate key to survival isn't just about saving our world, but about reaching for new ones? This brings us to the final frontier: space. Humanity has always been driven by an instinct to explore, to see what's over the next hill. The next hills are on the moon, Mars, and beyond. In the coming centuries, we will likely see the first permanent human settlements. These won't be just outposts. They'll be self-sustaining colonies. We'll learn to extract resources from asteroids, harness the sun's energy in space with massive solar arrays, and use the unique environments of other celestial bodies for scientific research and even industrial production. Space exploration isn't just an escape plan. It's a catalyst for innovation. The technologies we develop to survive on Mars, like advanced life support, closed-loop recycling, and new forms of energy generation, will have profound benefits right here on Earth. It expands our perspective, reminding us that we are all crew members on this one small spaceship called Earth. It is the ultimate expression of our drive to survive and thrive. So, as we stand here, at the cusp of this extraordinary future, it's easy to feel a mix of excitement and apprehension. The challenges are real, but so is our potential. The future of how we live, work, and survive isn't written in stone. It's a story that we are all writing together, every day, with every choice we make, every idea we pursue, and every problem we solve. The path forward will be built on human ingenuity, our incredible ability to innovate, collaborate, and adapt. It's a hopeful outlook, a future where technology serves humanity, where our cities are green, our bodies are healthy, our work is meaningful, and our spirit of exploration knows no bounds. The journey to tomorrow has already begun. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the future. If you found these ideas inspiring or thought-provoking, hit that like button and subscribe for more explorations into the world of tomorrow. What part of the future are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.